The 2023 Mountains of Hell set the stage for an unparalleled showdown in the dangerous French Alps, where the mountains meet the heavens and adrenaline courses through the blood of daredevils. The top spot went to a courageous rider who showed unparalleled skill navigating the icy slopes and difficult descents, but the real showstopper was the thrilling race for second place. In this video, you'll enjoy the adrenaline-pumping journey of Liam Moynihan, a fierce competitor who would stoop to any means to claim victory. Number 1. Introduction to the 2023 Mountain of Hell race. Anarchy reigns when downhill mountain biking goes wild in the Alps, a frozen wonderland in the 2023 Mountain of Hell race. Imagine 800 biker daredevils hurtling downhill at breakneck speeds on a winding circuit that curves around snow-capped peaks. Not your average race. This is an exhilarating, nerve-wracking brawl with Mother Nature's harshest forces. The setting this year is a frozen coliseum. Notable for its brutal terrain, the race incorporates a variety of hazards, including steep inclines, sharp corners, and unexpected hurdles. The cyclists face more than just the mountain as they battle in their thermal gear and resistance apparel. Sub-zero temperatures, the unpredictable nature of the alpine winds, and the precipitation that makes visibility a game of guesswork make an already intimidating course even more so. Spectators may look forward to a visually stunning event with a hint of danger as participants prepare for a test of strength and stamina. It's a test of human perseverance across a course where every twist and turn can lead to either victory or defeat. Number 2. Starting of the race, a dramatic commencement. In a display of high-octane adventure, the 2023 Mountain of Hell race roared to life, capturing the attention of adrenaline enthusiasts worldwide. The race takes place on a glacier at an altitude of 3,400 meters, 11,000 feet, above sea level, and it is known for its extreme downhill biking challenges. The scene, as viewed from a helicopter's eye, was nothing short of cinematic, a perfect blend of nature's grandeur and human daring. The race's treacherous terrain is notable for its steepness, with skilled riders reaching speeds of up to 100 km/h on snowy slopes. Crashes are not uncommon, and the race is considered a genuine celebration of mountain biking. As the start pistol cracked through the mountain air, it was more than just a signal for the racers. It was a symphony heralding an epic saga of thrill and challenge. The timing was impeccable, synchronizing the gunshot with the sweeping views from above, creating an electric atmosphere that rippled through the spectators. With each rev and turn, the riders were not only competing against each other, but also against the unforgiving terrain of the mountain. The audience, glued to their screens, could almost feel the rush, the wind, and the heartbeat of the race, setting the stage for what promised to be a memorable showdown in the annals of extreme sports. Number 3. Early challenges and strategy. Similar to a high-stakes chess game performed on 2 wheels, cyclists encountered early obstacles at the 2023 Mountain of Hell. The first part of the descent was a ballet across snow-covered hills, where maintaining one's balance was just as important as descending quickly. A throttling back of velocity resulted from this intentional tiptoeing around the icy curves, which caused some competitors to lose ground as quickly as a stock market dip. The winner of the race, Kilian Braun, compared it to an epic stalemate, saying that the result was as uncertain as a stock market stock until the very end. Not for the faint of heart, this event is known for its treacherous and extremely dangerous courses, in which daredevils plunge down at speeds over 100 km/h. Still, the Mountain of Hell becomes a joyous gathering of bikers despite this terrifying background, attracting hundreds of people. From experienced pedal warriors to curious onlookers, it's more than simply a race, it's a carnival on wheels. An e-bike race, as well as a miniature version for the little ones, are proudly hosted during the festival, adding to the varied mix. By welcoming riders of all ages and abilities, the Mountain of Hell becomes more than a race course. It is an ode to the universal love of mountain biking. The 2023 edition was no exception, and it was tough from the start. Please like the video. And if you would like to be notified of our future videos, be sure to subscribe and enable alerts. Now let's return to our thrilling material. Number 4. Mid-race recovery and position gains. Kilian Braun has further established himself as a master of 2 wheels in the exhilarating realm of enduro mountain biking. Braun won for the 4th time in the 2023 Mountain of Hell, a name that more accurately describes a depressing Hollywood screenplay than a peaceful French Alpine hamlet. No one should attempt the race if they aren't up for a spectacular drop that begins at a lung-busting 3,200 meters above sea level in Les Two Alps. As if he were a master chess player, Braun flawlessly carried out his racing strategy. Regaining lost ground, he deftly maneuvered through the early mayhem, displaying the grace of a ballet dancer. Is that his catchphrase? A combination of a sharp mind, a strong body, and unwavering resolve, particularly on the difficult climbs where the hope of success can vanish like the morning mist. Both Braun's physical prowess and his extraordinary capacity to adapt and recover were crucial to his triumph in this historic race. Number 5. The insane battle for second place. The event will be remembered in the high-octane mountain bike world, not for the winner, but for the intense battle for second place. Olivier Brouillère and Alexis Chenevier captivated thrill-seekers with their daring skill and cunning brinkmanship, turning the race into a captivating display of expertise and strategy. Picture two expert riders locked in an endless duel, each maneuver resembling a chess move on two wheels. Brouillère's risk-taking nature and Chenevier's exceptional precision and composure under pressure transformed the rugged terrain into their personal battleground. The spectacle resembled a fast-paced ballet, with the stakes escalating at every twist and turn. Amidst the backdrop of jagged peaks and punishing trails, these bike-wielding gladiators showcased a masterclass in strategy. Their race unfolded as a series of bold decisions, each more audacious than the last, as they navigated treacherous terrain with the finesse of seasoned professionals. The audience was treated to a display of adaptability and sheer determination, keeping them on the edge of their seats. This high-altitude drama was not just about crossing the finish line first. It epitomized the unwavering pursuit of victory that defines mountain biking. Brouillère and Chenevier were not just vying for a position, but also for honor, leaving an indelible mark on race fans worldwide. Number 6. Race conclusion and reflection. In the electrifying crucible of the 2023 Mountain of Hell race, Kilian Braun showcased a masterclass in skill and tenacity, ultimately emerging as the undisputed champion. His unassailable command over the treacherous course left spectators and fellow competitors alike in open-mouthed wonder, solidifying his reputation as a veritable titan of downhill mountain riding. The competition on that precipitous slope was nothing short of awe-inspiring. Participants dared to defy the laws of gravity and sanity, hurtling down the perilous incline with unbridled fervor. The final results unveiled a thrilling spectacle as racers engaged in a ferocious battle for supremacy, creating an exhilarating sideshow to the main event. Reflecting on the outcome, it becomes abundantly clear that the Mountain of Hell served up an extraordinary and indelible experience for all those who dared to participate or bear witness. At every hairpin turn and vertiginous drop, the riders' unwavering resolve shone through as they grappled with the event's formidable mental and physical demands. The race served not only as a crucible of personal growth, but also as a testament to the enduring spirit of the mountain biking community and an exhibition of unparalleled athletic prowess. Number 7. Lessons and aspirations. In the breathtaking alpine setting of Les Deux Alpes, the 2023 Mountain of Hell brought us heart-pounding mountain biking action that left spectators on the edge of their seats. Kilian Braun, a seasoned veteran of this treacherous descent, once again emerged victorious, clinching his 4th win amidst a fiercely competitive field of over 800 daredevil riders. With speeds reaching a mind-boggling 100 km/h, this race wasn't for the faint of heart. It was a showcase of grit, endurance, and meticulous planning, where skill and stamina were the name of the game, guiding riders through a challenging terrain that included everything from snow to rocks to hair-raising single tracks. It was clear that the Mountain of Hell was about more than just pedal-to-the-metal speed. Yet, as thrilling as the race was, there were a few bumps on the trail. Some riders, like Camille Servant, had rather enthusiastic starts and crashes that left us all holding our breaths. Safety concerns should prompt organizers to ramp up precautionary measures to ensure the well-being of these fearless athletes. Moreover, we'd love to see more diversity in the mix, with increased participation from women and riders hailing from different backgrounds. For the future of mountain biking, we need more challenges that truly test the mettle of these riders. Events like the 2023 Mountain of Hell push them to their limits, and we need more of these exhilarating trials. Additionally, let's not forget the environmental impact. As the sport continues to gain traction, it's crucial that races prioritize sustainability to minimize their footprint on our beloved planet. So here's to more daring races that are as eco-friendly as they are hair-raising, just like this unforgettable event where skill and stamina reign supreme. We appreciate you being a part of the Mountain of Hell 2023 race with us. Liam Moynihan's outstanding performance as he competed for second place captivated us. Give us a thumbs up, spread the word, and subscribe for more wild extreme sports coverage if you love this event and keep climbing your own personal mountain of obstacles.